Combined torque wrench. Denflex's combined torque wrench. Its easier and safer usage reflects Denflex's technological innovativeness. Conventional torque wrench requires practitioner to put a hand in the patient's mouth when using it, which increases the difficulty and discomfort when a patient has a small mouth or a dentist has a big hand. They also have various disadvantages, as there is the discomfort of using two equipment, as well as the risk of swallowing a hand driver. Denflex's combined torque wrench reduces these problems with an innovative solution. Primary installation of screw and binding can be done with one equipment, which eliminates the need of putting a hand in the mouth of a patient. The process of binding the screw with the handle and finishing the job with the torque bar can be done with one equipment. Changing direction of usage for installation and disassembling is easy for a user depending on his or her preference. The ease of disassembling through rotating the torque wrench counterclockwise and rotating the part on the hand driver the opposite way reduces the discomfort of patients and practitioners.